He is revered for maintaining balance between the happiness and unhappiness of an individual, depending on his karmas, and is thus recognized as the karma phal data.
शनि जब अपने भक्तों पर प्रसन्न होते हैं तो निर्बल को बलवान बना देते हैं और निर्धन को धनवान। कहते हैं शनि ने संकट मोचन हनुमान को ये वचन दिया था कि वे उनके भक्तों पर अपनी वक्र दृष्टि कभी नहीं डालेंगे। इसलिए आज भी हनुमान के उपासकों पर वे कभी कुपित नहीं होते।
Shani is an embodiment of truth. He is an ardent defender of wisdom, an ocean of compassion, the god of Kali Yuga.
तो देवियों और सज्जनों, ग्रहों में सबसे विशेष ग्रह शनि से जुड़ी ऐसी ही अद्भुत और अनसुनी घटनाओं को मनमोहक नृत्य शैली में प्रस्तुत करने आ रहे हैं हमारे विद्यालय के होनहार कलाकार। तो प्रस्तुत है कार्यक्रम
न्यायमूर्ति शनिदेव।
विघ्नहर्ता, मंगलकारी, देवों के देव गौरी पुत्र गणेश प्रथम पूजनीय हैं। हर मंगल कार्य से पहले उनकी पूजा शुभ फल प्रदान करने वाली है। शनिदेव न्याय के देवता माने जाते हैं। सूर्य पुत्र शनि यद्यपि कठोर माने जाते हैं, इनके प्रकोप से सभी भयभीत रहते हैं, परंतु इनका न्याय सदा ही निष्पक्ष होता है, फिर चाहे वो अपने पिता सूर्य देव जी के प्रति ही क्यों ना हो।
समाभासं रविपुत्रं यमाग्रजम्
रे ग म ग रे सा रे रे ग म ग रे सा रे रे ग म ग रे सा रे ग म द म ग रे सा रे रे ग म ग रे सा रे ग म द म ग रे सा रे रे ग म ग रे सा रे ग म द म द नि नि म द द ग म द म ग रे म ग रे सा रे रे ग म ग रे सा रे ग म द म द नि नि म द द ग म द म ग रे म ग रे सा रे रे ग म ग रे सा रे ग म द म द द स म द स नि ग रि रि नि द नि द म द रि 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 नि द म ग रे रे ग म ग रे सा रे ग म ग रे सा रे ग म ग रे दानी दो उधर दानी दो उधर दा 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 दानी दानी उधर दा 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 देखलाम करदगदोम देखलाम करदगदोम देखलाम करदगदोम देखलाम करदगदोम देखलाम करदगदोम देखलाम करदगदोम रे ग म ग रे सा रे ग म ग रे सा रे ग म ग रे
शनिदेव की अनुकंपा उन पर रहती है जो हनुमान जी के उपासक हैं। महाबली हनुमान से शनिदेव जी का विशेष स्नेह है।
विक्रम बजरंगी महावीर विक्रम बजरंगी कुमति निवार सुमति के संगी रंजन वरण विराज सुबेसा कानन कुंडल कुंजित केसा हनुमान की जय और सुत हनुमान की जय और श्री हनुमान की जय और सुत हनुमान की जय।
After seeking the divine blessings, we now move on to the prize distribution ceremony. Napoleon Hill said, "Strength and growth come only through continuous effort and struggle." Our students at Balbharti Pitampura have constantly been working towards raising the benchmarks and scaling new heights. Be it academics, sports, or performing arts, our children have brought accolades and made the school proud of their accomplishments. To felicitate these young achievers, I now request our principal, Mrs. Meenu Goswami, to kindly escort our esteemed chief guest, Shri Sanjay Singh, to give away the prizes. I begin the list with the school toppers for the session 2016-17. Ashna Gupta topped the commerce stream with 97.4% and is the overall school topper. She is currently pursuing BCom honors from SRCC. Radhika Gupta topped the science stream with 97.2% and is presently pursuing English honors from Hindu College. Janvi Khanna secured 95.2% and topped the humanities stream. She bagged 100% marks in psychology. Akash Khatri also topped the humanities stream with 95.2%. He is pursuing his honors degree from Hansraj College. Their perseverance and hard work has made the school proud. The Scholar Platinum Award is given to the students who have won the Scholar Badge for 8 consecutive years. This year, 9 meritorious students have won this most sought-after award. They are Radhika Gupta, Rachit Jain, Komal Devan. Since Komal is in the USA pursuing her higher studies, we request her mother to kindly receive the award on her behalf. Riya Arora, Janvi Jain, Akshit Khanna, Nitya Pahuja, Advika Gupta, and Smriddhi Saluja. Smriddhi also secured 100% marks in economics and business studies. Your encouragement means the world to them. So ladies and gentlemen, please raise your hands and make some noise for these talented students.
In the words of Sir Ken Robinson, kids prosper best with a broad curriculum that celebrates their various talents and not just a small range of them. The following students excelled in the co-curricular field. The Surbhi Memorial Award for the Outstanding Artist is bestowed upon Muskurahat Bajaj. She won the 2nd prize in Pyeongchang 2018 Olympic Winter Games painting competition and has been rewarded with a free trip to South Korea. Nandini Gautam and Kanishk Vats have been adjudged the best artists. They weave their observations and emotions beautifully on the canvas. Please give them a loud round of applause. Gold medals aren't really made of gold. They are made of sweat, determination, and a hard-to-find alloy called guts. We will see the result of this strong willpower and determination in our next set of prizes, which are dedicated to honor our sports dynamos. Hriday Adlakha has been adjudged the best cricket player. He has been playing for the school team for the last 7 years and has spearheaded the team as captain since 2016. Ashwin Arora has been an SGFI level national player for the past 2 years and is being awarded with the Best Volleyball Player trophy. The award for the Best Table Tennis Player goes to Arushi Garg for her outstanding performance. She was a national medalist in the year 2016 and has been a state medalist for 2 years in a row. Chinmay Nangia, too, has been deemed as the best table tennis player. He has been a state-level player for 5 consecutive years and won many medals at the zonal level. Ayush Podar has been aptly chosen as the best tennis player. He's an All India Tennis Association ranking player and has secured the 3rd position in the 2017-18 zonals. The award for the best athlete goes to Vaidehi Gupta. She has participated in SGFI Nationals in 400 meters. She secured a gold medal at state level and was also declared the best player in the inter-unit Bal Bharti meet. The Best Basketball Player Award is being shared by 4 very talented students: Kanika Harjai, Shrey Sharma, K. Shreyan Subudhi, and Shantanu Singh. They all are state-level gold medalists and are most deserving for this award. Give them a huge round of applause. The Best Badminton Player Award goes to Soumya Nasa. She secured the 2nd position in zonals and the inter-unit Bal Bharti meet and has participated in an array of state-level competitions. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together and show your appreciation for these young achievers.
At Balbharti Pitampura, we believe in not just recognizing the achievers, but also honing the talents of the budding stars. Therefore, the next category of awards is dedicated to the promising achievers. Ishan Chawla has been ranked 38 by the Badminton Association of India. The most promising swimmers for this year are Aryaman Jain, Riyansh Singh, Saksham Panwar, Kritika Singh, Dhriti Narsaria, Bhagya Gehlot, and Mehak Hasija. Bhagya and Mehak broke the CBSE national record in the 5 into 50 meter relay and 4 into 100 meters relay respectively. Satyam Jain, the promising rope skipper, bagged the 3rd position in CBSE nationals. The promising chess players Ayan Garg and Katyayani Kaushik, the